Hello, I am here again. I have a piece of Crinoline here and I want to show us how to use it, just to do something simple for our housing. This is the Crinoline black gold. I'm having a rose which I've done here, then Alice band with my tip rule. So let's quickly go into it. So this Crinoline, let me measure the length. The length that I want to use today. The longer the better. This is almost 80. The length is 80, while the breadth is the normal one, 7 inches or 7 inches, 7.5. So let me go to the simple style I want to do with Crinoline today. So what I'm going to do now is to take my needle and thread. I will fold them out together. You fold them out together. You can use your glue, your gum, but I will be using thread. For this lesson, I'll be using thread. Make sure you tie it together like this. You tie it together. You knot it. You knot. Then you now put running stitches to gather it together. You gather it together. This is how you are going to do it. You gather everything together. You pull. You see it's forming. It's giving us a nice shape already. You get everything together. You do it gently so that you will not hurt yourself. You can use small needle. We gather together. We pull our thread. We gather together. Don't forget the length is 80. You can use any color, depends on your outing. You pull. Can you see it's giving us some nice shape already? You pull. Then you gather this as well. I'm supposed to have gathered it before now. So I would like to cut it here because I will want the, okay, let me tack it. I will still get the style I wanted. Just want to briefly show us this style. It has been in my mind for so long. So then when I come to this place, gather the way I gathered the first one. I'm not pulling this thread together with it. Oh, so this is it. This is I've gathered it. So you now pull together to have any design you want it. If you want it this way, you tack it down any way, any design you want, you tack it down. So I will be taking the design that I really want, that I needed for this tutorial. So let me tack it down this way. It's somehow falling to tack down because it should be slippery, but you just have to do it to get a neater job. It's better to use a needle and needle. If you have gum, no problem, you can use gum. So this is the shape. This is the shape I will go with this shape. Then this rose, I will attach the rose to it. I will show you later how I made this rose. Very lovely. I will put the video out on how to make rose very soon. So we tack the rose down to it before we now tack the Alice band. You can make as many roses as possible to make it more beautiful, but for this one I'll be using this single one. You can double, you can put another color. Black goes with any other colors. You can open it wide. You can go on to open the rose. So because of this lesson, and I want something bogus, my customer wants something bogus for their church anniversary program. So can you see? And how you attach the Alice band to it. Can you see? It's so lovely. It's look gorgeous. Look gorgeous. You can put it to the side. If you want it at the side, to come to the side. Depends on how you tack it. It can go up. It can go to the center. I've not finished tacking, but I'm just showing you. And if you want, you can still cuff. Depends on the design you want. You can still curl this. Bring this up Any design will go for it, be good for it. Can you see? Any design. Can you see the finished product? Can you see? You can come to the front. It's very easy to make. So easy. So beautiful. If you like what you are saying, subscribe to my channel, please. Thumbs up. If you like the work I'm doing, kindly encourage me. Can you see the back? So beautiful. You use it for any occasion.